Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Babae to, di ba?
And for now, we're gonna check out what are the following souvenirs that I received from Jason and Daisy's wedding. So first one, this one, succulent plant. We have two. We received two from them. Okay. Baby, pakilagay nga to dun. Kasi nagkaroon ng lupa. And we also have this. They also gave this. The wedding coordinator gave this one too. This is a scented candle. Look, it's so cute. Right? It's so cute. Amoy panghilot. Mabango siya. So, ayan siya. And then, this is a random souvenir that I received earlier at the wedding. And, of course, I also bring the flower. Because I am one of the bridesmaids. And then, yung husband ko, since groomsman din siya, he also received a souvenir gift. So we're gonna open this one. So look, tada! So feeling ko ako yung gagamit nito dahil ako naman yung manginginom sa aming dalawa. Ang ganda, no? Cute. Wow. Kaya ito gagamit. May tagayan pang mga. Cute. So, we're gonna close this now. And then, this is for the bridesmaid. Every bridesmaid received this kind of pack. Let me see. Let me open. So, meron pang paganito. Look. Tada! Diba? Ang ganda. And then, wow! Look. Parang may dust bag pa. Milan Shiva. It's Milan Shiva. Let me see. This is also one of the souvenir gift from them. Look. Wow! Wow, ang ganda! Ilang beses na ako naka-attend ng wedding, pero bongga to sila ako lang. Wow! Look! Kaya binibigyan ko na kayo ng idea sa mga may kakayanan naman dyan at yayamanin naman sa buhay dyan. Binibigyan ko na kayo ng idea kung ano yung mga pwede nyong ibigay sa mga bridesmaid, for souvenir, and then for the groomsmen. So, hindi ko nasilip kung ano yung sa mga ninang, pero malaking box and medyo mabigat yung sa mga ninang. So, feeling ko gandara rin yun. And grabe, no, pinag-effortan talaga nila yung para sa mga bisita nila. Wow, it's so pretty. Look, souvenir lang to. Diba? Ang ganda. So yun, para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung mga pwede nyo ibigay sa souvenir para sa girls, this one you can look for this one. And then for the groomsmen, this one again. Tada! So yun lang, grabe, ang ganda ng mga nauwi namin from their wedding. And yun lang. Congratulations to my friend. And yun. Thank you. Best wishes to Jason and Daisy. Bye for now.